Have you been wondering if it's time to get an in-office printer? Are you not sure what you can actually do with it? If that's the case, I have great news. Absolute Dental recently signed an exclusive partnership with SprintRay America. We are now a certified SprintRay support team. This means our navigation chairside team will now also be offering SprintRay PRO 2 installations and in-office training, while our Absolute Dental team will support all your printing questions. We have perfected the art of same-day design and STL file drop. With the required pre-operative diagnostic design work done, we are now able to drop a full arch print file in less than 20 minutes. Our current record stands at an astonishing 8 minutes from the time we received the scan to the time the print file was ready to go. No need to make your own temporaries for that highly aesthetic patient or hand process that arduous chairside conversion anymore. From tooth-borne to full arch, temporization is now replaced with prototyping. We call it scan, print, deliver. And with one of the most competitive pricing agreements in SprintRay history, this partnership can get you your very own SprintRay 2 with full bundle for around $100 a week. And with exceptional supply companies part of this partnership, you get amazing deals on your printing materials. Right now, if you purchase a bottle of Onyx Stuff 2 from SprintRay, Harvest Dental will throw in your own starter kit of gum strips. And with exceptional cleaning products like Innova Print Wash, they make the process of cleaning for your team very simple and efficient. This is not a lab scanner program. Absolute is there for installation, training, and post-delivery technical product support, while the SprintRay teams continue to take care of all technical questions and concerns. This means if you purchase a printer through this partnership, you get the best of both worlds, a dedicated team with years of knowledge of modern-day printers and the nuances of product processing, from digital prototyping to in-office night guards. Your printer is supplied and financed through SprintRay and their partners. That means it's not locked into a lab. We want to and will earn your business. Email me directly and I will get you started on this very exciting digital journey.